No, this is not my RV, but I am testing an RV product or a boat product. So these are from Glacier Fresh. They come in a 2-pack. They are water filters, inline water filters, which are so important if you're into RVing, which you must be if you're watching this. You know that the facilities and the underpinnings of those campgrounds aren't always so great. So you always want to have one of these inline filters in and attached to your hookup before you start sending fresh water into your RV. How are we going to test this in the backyard? I actually have pump water from a well here from my house. We have a big sophisticated system inside the house, but I can hook these up out here right off the well. I should be able to tell night and day the difference in the smell between pure well water and water that's been filtered. Just so you know, these are down to 20 microns. I can't even tell you what 20 microns is, but that's what they are. And they are supposed to remove like 97.9% of chlorine and contaminants, that kind of stuff. I don't know. I don't care about the numbers. What I care about is that when I hook this up to the well water, it doesn't smell terrible like untreated well water. So let's hook it up, see what it smells like, and then I'll give you that overall review. Okay, this is just like your campsite hookup, except this is coming straight from my well, as you can see. Let's turn off the water. Leave some pressure there while we open this up. Okay, so it comes nicely sealed in plastic, and I do really like that it comes with this extension. As you can see, it comes nicely packaged in plastic, so you know it's fresh and clean. Even with the plastic on it, it still has another cap on the inside. So I'm not totally sure if you could see this, but just so you know, it clearly is marked, both imprinted on the bottle as well as on this label, the flow of the water, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this off, put the nice spring-loaded extension on it, right? Like so. Disconnect my hose. And this will be the intake for your RV or your boat. Put this onto the supply, otherwise known as my well. Take this cap off. Let's connect this right here. I should probably do this part off camera, but it'd be kind of fun if it fails. Let's see if it's going to leak or not. No leak whatsoever. Alright, you ready? Let's play with the water a little bit. Oh, here comes the dog. Should I spray him? Oh, he's running. Let's get the old water out and see how the new filtered water smells. Oh, that's the water going through the filter. Okay, so one of the things that I'm liking a little bit, now that we've cleared all that air out of there, is we did not lose any pressure. So I'm getting full flow through here, right? And it's kind of crazy. This actually smelled so terrible before. I always wonder, like, how do we drink this water? Because it goes through a whole filtration system in the house, but I'm like, how can that water be safe to drink? Okay, I'm going to do it. Probably not so smart with the microphone on. A night and day difference. I mean, crazy night and day difference. So I'm going to absolutely give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking to purify your water input into your RV or your boat, this is definitely a good one. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.